Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial based in Photoshop with myself, Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics and it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you here today. So guys, the reason why we are here today is to discuss how would we place an image behind multiple shapes. Okay, very trendy and popular piece of design, and you could use it across many forms of graphic design. Ranging from sort of corporate leaflet brochure design all the way to a very nice piece of artwork. Now, as you can see here, what I've done is I've got a collection of shapes together here, right? Now, the first thing that I would need to do is to make sure that all of my shapes here are on the same layer, okay? So obviously I've got a number of layers here. So what I'm going to do is highlight the bottom layer by just simply clicking it, and then if I press shift, it will select everything in between. Now, like I said, what I will need to do is make sure that these are on this the same layer. So what I need to do is merge these layers together. Now, you can either do this by highlighting the layers that you would like to merge, right click, and you have merge shapes here, okay? Or the shortcut to do that is Command E on Mac and Control E on Windows to merge the layers together. Now, what we can do after we've merged the layers together into one layer is we now can convert this into a frame, which will then allow us to place an image within inside of that particular frame. So what I'm going to do with the layer highlighted, I'm going to right click and I'm going to convert it to a frame. Let's call this the first frame. Okay, and there's my frame created. Now what I would like to do obviously is now place an image within inside of this particular frame. What you need to do is go to File, Place Embedded. Okay, I have an image already here for us to use, and I'm going to place. And there you see it, and there you have it, an image placed behind multiple shapes. Now, as you can see, you have two parts of the layer here. Okay, you have the frame part and the image part of your layer. If you would like to start manipulating the size of the particular frame, I would press Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows to transform, which will then allow you to manipulate the frame. And obviously, if you want to manipulate the image within inside of the frame, very similar. Make sure you have the image part of the layer highlighted, Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows, which will now allow you to manipulate the image within inside of the frame. So guys, that's how you place one image behind multiple shapes. Guys, if you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics and the courses that we offer, please don't hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, what you can do is view some of our amazing work by our students on our Instagram page at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.